Hey everyone, it's KyLin here, and I'm going to show you guys how I wash my KyLin wigs. I'm washing my Halle 30-inch wig today. If you've seen my videos, you know how active I get in my Halle wig. She's gone on roller coasters, she's gone on jet skis, swimming, four-wheelers, in the sand, in the sun. She is a very, very adventurous girl. So I have worn her a lot, and it is time to do a quick wash. It's always good to wash your wigs when they are starting to get tangly, or obviously if there's a lot of sweat in them. If you notice product buildup, it's good to wash your wigs. It's not good to overwash your wig, so you definitely don't want to do that, because it will shorten the life of your hair. So what we want to do is we want to brush any tangles out before we start. After you have your wig all brushed out, you are ready to start the washing process. And what I like to do to start is to rinse my wig under some running water and just get any excess buildup out. You can kind of spray some water along the cap if you need to. If you do wear glue or tape, you're able to kind of work the water where you keep that glue or tape. So now's the time to just spray down the entirety of the wig with some lukewarm water. You don't want to use hot water, just because using heat is always going to add damage to your wig. So I try to avoid as much heat as possible when washing. Okay, now that we have rinsed our wig with some lukewarm water, we're gonna go ahead and start the washing process. So what I like to do is fill up a sink with some water, and you can use a basin for this. You can use a large kitchen bowl, whatever's gonna fit your wig, you can really use that. I like to use my sink because I have a little stopper that I can put in there and fill it up. So we're gonna use that lukewarm water and fill up our sink, as you can see. And as it's filling up, we are going to add our shampoo into the sink. So you want to use a sulfate-free shampoo for this. And I'll kind of just show you. You drop a couple squirts in, and then mix it up. That's enough water. Really get the shampoo mixed into the water all over. You don't really want to put any shampoo or conditioner directly on your wig cap. That can loosen the knots. So I like to just fill up the sink, place my wig in, and let it soak. And I'll typically let it soak for 3 to 5 minutes in the shampoo, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, the wig has been soaking for about 5 minutes now, and I'm going to pull it out. We're going to wash the shampoo out. And you really want to get all of the soap out so that there's no residual residue. Anytime there's residual soap, especially conditioner and shampoo left in your wig, it can make it greasy. So you really want to get it all out. You can see all of the soap suds coming out. And you just want to do this until you see nothing left. No more soap coming out. Okay, now that I have got all of the soap rinsed out, I am going to gently squeeze the excess water out. Remember, you don't want to like grab and pull. You just gently squeeze it out. And now we are ready to do our conditioning. Have got the excess water out. We are going to do a conditioning treatment. Have got to squirt some conditioner on your hands, and then you're just going to apply it to the ends up to where the cap is. You don't want to put any conditioner on the cap or near the lace, because that can loosen your knots and then have wig hair fall out, which nobody wants that. So I'm just gently running the conditioner along the ends and about to where the cap is. Okay, we are back and the wig has been basking in its conditioner. And it's time to rinse the conditioner out. So you're just going to do the same exact thing that you did with the shampoo. You want to get all of the conditioner out so that your wig isn't left with a sticky, kind of greasy feeling after it's done washing. So we will go ahead and rinse it out. So it might seem like you're rinsing for a really long time because you keep seeing soap in the water. It's definitely good to keep rinsing it out because you don't want to leave that excess soap in and have your wig be greasy and just feel kind of grimy. It causes it to tangle more easily, and so you really want to get all of that washed out. Okay, now that it's all washed out, we are going to wring the excess water out. You want to try and get as much water out as you can before you let it air dry. Now, I always let my wigs air dry because I prefer the least amount of heat on them as possible. Anytime you do heat, it's adding damage to the hair. So I let my wigs air dry. Okay, we have finished our washing process. Everything's rinsed out, and now it's time to let this wig air dry. You don't want to brush it while it's wet. That can cause it to have hair fall. So avoid brushing it when it's wet. Wait until it's done air drying and you should be good to go. I will show you the results after she's done drying. Hey everybody, I'm back and this is how Halle air dried. Beautiful beachy waves. Hardly any tangles. I have not brushed her out yet. Next, I will do a video of how I style her, although that won't be for a little bit because I'm going to enjoy these gorgeous waves that she has.